Hello, this is me, Henry Eduardo Curico Saldaña. I'm from Bogota. I live with my wife and my son. I'm assistant engineer student. I love going to rock concerts with my friends because we really have a good time there. Okay. And now I tell you travel experience. Last Saturday trip to La Dorada, Caldas with my wife and son. We went to visit my wife's parents. It was a spectacular walk. The journey from Bogota to La Dorada lasted 6 hours. We left at 6 in the morning and arrived at noon. During the tour made 4 stops. At each stop we ate cookies, fruits and drinks. Upon arrival at my in-laws' house, we were greeted with chicken steak after that lunch. We rest for the long trip. Next day, we went to the pool and in the afternoon went to a very nice place that is the Iguana Park, a very tourist place. After that, we ended the day eating ice cream, being our third and last day. My in-laws made a roast and drank beer at 3 p.m. Our trip was already scheduled back to our city of Bogota. Uh, and next, I present some suggestions. When it's sunny, people shoulder. When it's windy, it is better not to use an umbrella. When a hurricane approaches, city officials must inform city officials. When there is a snowstorm, we must be at home. When it is very hot in school classes, school should be suspended. When it is cold, they should be warm. And I present some recommendations for this trip. You need to wear short shirt and short. It is important that you wear sunscreen. It is essential that you wear a hat and glasses. It is necessary that they hydrate enough. It is important that children use repellent to avoid mosquito bites. It is better for people to sleep with few blankets. It is recommended that they rest frequently if they are going out for. Um, Other important recommendation is people should hydrate enough. People must wear sunscreen. People should not wear tight health. People should not be exposed to this much. Thank you.